practice the language. And there's enough extended families where there should be one member, or even a grandparent, you Skype to or get on the phone with, to practice the language a little bit each week, because it's not something you learn in a very short period of time. Of course, with this as Naku's bench, I have to say the other thing is the school, the academy, the Saturday classes, the use of the workbook. And I was just in Belize when it was just Jesse Castillo, and we talked a lot about the workbook and changes because it's going to be constantly revised as I get to know more. And we were talking a lot and visiting a number of the schools around. And I really am more and more sold on the idea that Britain needs to be in the school system. Now that's probably not going to